this is my ancestral cold process soap. I tried to do a recording of it. My phone kept ringing, so I kept being interrupted. But what I'll do next time, I will record with my other phone, and I will try to show those of you that want to learn how to make your cold process soap. I'll show you a quick tutorial on how you can create your own. This was just like a smaller batch left, so I'll probably do like samples with. And these will probably be available end of I like to cure my soaps for a really long time, my cold process soaps, so maybe in February, sometime in February, if not mid-February, the end of February, I'll have these available at my shop. And once they are hardened and I cut them and everything, if anything, what I'll do, I'll let you guys pre-order them. And I'm gonna make another batch tomorrow, and then the day after that, so I can have a lot for everyone to try out. And your ancestral soaps can be used to connect with your guardian angels, with your spirit guides, of course, with your ancestors. And I'll do a video and I'll show you guys how to work with them. They smell really good, and I can't wait for them to be ready.